Hello, everyone! You can make a big difference in your quality of life by making your home more useful, comfy, and stylish. Home improvement tasks can be fun and useful. Whether you want to raise the value of your home, make it more energy efficient, or just make your living space look better, the important thing is to focus on updates that make your life better and give you long-term rewards. In this video, we will talk about 10 useful and creative ways to improve your home that can help you reach your goals. These ideas will give you ideas for making your home look better and work better, from easy do-it-yourself jobs to bigger renovations. Improve your lighting. Having good lighting in your home can change the mood. You might want to replace your old light fixtures with new ones that use less energy. Get rid of old chandeliers and ceiling lights and replace them with sleek, simple designs or big, bold pieces that make a statement. You can also add dimmers to change the mood and control the amount of light for different tasks or times of the day. Putting in LED bulbs that save energy is also a good idea because they last longer and lower your power bill. You could also improve certain parts of your home by adding specialty lighting, like under-cabinet lights in the kitchen, or spotlights for artwork. With better lighting, you can quickly make your home look better and make it more useful. Freshen up with a coat of paint. Another cheap way to make your home look better is to give it a new coat of paint. Changing the color of your walls can make a big difference, whether you paint the whole house or just a few rooms. Neutral colors like brown, white, and soft gray give a room a clean, modern look. Bold colors, on the other hand, can make a room more interesting. If you want to make a statement, try adding an accent wall to your living room or bedroom. To give your home a whole new look, don't forget to paint the doors, trim, and cabinets. Painting is an easy, do-it-yourself job that gives you results right away. Update your flooring. Getting new floors to replace old or worn-out ones can make your home look and feel much better. As time goes on, hardwood floors become more valuable, but if you're on a tight budget, laminate or vinyl flooring that looks like wood might be a better option. These choices will last, won't break the bank, and are simple to set up. If you like a cozy atmosphere, you might want to think about getting new rugs for your bedrooms and living rooms. Also, area rugs are a great way to give a room more color and warmth without having to get new floors. Updating your floors will make your home look new and clean, no matter what kind you pick. Improve energy efficiency with insulation. Adding more insulation to your home can help you save money on your energy bills and make it more comfortable. Pay attention to places like the roof, walls, and floors where heat often escapes. If you live in a colder area, adding double or triple pane windows can help you save even more energy. Another great way to save energy is to set up a controlled thermostat. Getting better insulation will not only save you money, but also lower your carbon footprint, making it an environmentally friendly way to improve your house. Remodel your kitchen. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and updating it can make it look and work better in big ways. You don't have to do a complete remodel to make a difference. For example, you could replace the countertops, update the cabinet handles, or add a modern backsplash. If your machines are old, getting new ones that use less energy can also help you save money on your bills. You can make cooking and hosting more fun by changing the plan of your kitchen to make it easier to get things done, adding more storage, or building an island for extra counter space. One of the best purchases you can make in your home is to update your kitchen. Boost curb appeal. The outside of your house is the first thing people see, so make a good one. It's easy to make your home look better from the street by painting the front door, getting new house numbers, or putting flowers. If you have more money, you could resurface your driveway, put up outdoor lights, or get new siding. Adding a deck or porch is another great way to make the outdoor living area better. Maintaining your landscaping and making your front door look nice can quickly improve the look of your home. Create a functional home office. As more people work from home, it's important to have a workspace that is both useful and comfy. If you don't have a room set aside for an office, you could turn an empty closet, corner, or nook into one. Invest in ergonomic furniture, good lighting, and tools for planning to make your workspace more useful. Floating cabinets or shelves can help you store more things without taking up any floor room. Put things in your office that make you feel creative, like art, plants, or encouraging quotes. A well-thought-out home office can help you get more done and enjoy working from home more. Upgrade your bathroom. Improvements to your bathroom can change your daily life and raise the value of your home at the same time. Adding new tiles, replacing old fixtures, or putting in a modern vanity are all easy ways to make a bathroom feel like a spa. If you have more money, you could add a waterfall shower head, a walk-in shower, or heated floors to make the bathroom feel more luxurious. By adding new mirrors or towel racks and making sure there is enough lighting and storage, you can make the area more useful and enjoyable to look at. Install smart home technology. Smart homes are useful because they make life easier and can even save you money. You can improve your home's technology in a lot of different ways, such as by adding smart lights and thermostats, or by using voice-activated assistants. Putting in smart locks and cameras will make your home safer, and smart lights and thermostats can be handled from afar to save energy. Most of the time, these systems are simple to set up and can be easily added to your home. They help your home be more comfortable and save you money, and they may even raise its value. Add more ways to store things. Adding more storage space can make a huge difference if your home feels crowded. You could add built-in shelves, use storage under the bed, or buy furniture with secret compartments. To make the most of the space in your kitchen, put in drawer organizers or a closet. Tools and other things can stay off the floor in the garage or basement with wall-mounted storage solutions. It's important to make good use of every space to keep your home clean and organized. More storage room means less stress and a better used living area. Conclusion: no matter how big or small, home improvement projects can make your living place more comfortable, useful, and nice to look at. Whether you're adding more storage, updating your kitchen, or just making your home more energy efficient, these changes can make your daily life better. Remember that the best home improvements are the ones that show off your style and make your house more valuable in the long run. If you follow these 10 home improvement tips, you'll make your place more comfortable, beautiful, and useful, and you'll enjoy it for years to come. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel for more home improvement tips.